In this video, let's capture today's action on the Australian Stock Exchange on antimony stocks. These are some of them on the screen. They're all green today. Why is that? Well, antimony has been brewing for a while. In November 2023, antimony was 9,000 US dollars per ton. Now in October 2024, it's more than 30,000 in the Rotterdam exchange in Europe. 30,000 US dollars per ton. So it's more than tripled in the last 10 months. So what is happening? Well, antimony has been increasing in price, but the catalyst was China's announcement in 15th of August that it would ban the export of antimony, taking effect on the 15th of September. So if you look at all these stocks here, their share prices have increased in around August, and they have continued to increase until today. Let's have a look at LRV, for example. LRV is the most advanced among these stocks. You can see in this chart that the share price has been gliding in the 10 cents mark, but from mid-August, when China announced the ban of exporting antimony, it just grew in such a fantastic fashion. It glided for a bit, it's starting to go up again. And that holds true for the other antimony stocks. In fact, when Larvoto Resources or LRV pick up its project, which is the Hillgrove in New South Wales in Australia, there were only 3 companies that were exploring antimony. Now there are more than 30 in the Australian Stock Exchange. What else do we have in this list? We also have this SXG. This is the biggest amongst those listed here. SXG is a purely exploration company. It doesn't even have a mineral resource estimate, but if you look at its market capitalization, it has now reached more than 700 million Australian dollars. That's an impressive market cap for a company that's just drilling and doesn't even have a GORC mineral resource estimate. The other ones here are all penny stocks, and one of them is TMG. TMG is also a stock that catapulted from the week of August 2024. You can see the chart on the right there. The TMG has picked up antimony projects, and the acquisition have excited the investors, and so you can have here the announcements about acquisitions. It made 2 acquisitions and it started its drilling. Another stock is in this list is OCT, which is Octava Resources. Octava Resources just a new kid in the block, and it's I think the smallest one here at the moment. Market capitalization is only 8 million, but just 4 weeks ago, that was a stock which was $4 million, and I think this is the smallest at the moment. So what makes LRV the most advanced amongst these explorers or developers? Well, LRV was so fortunate to pick up the Hillgrove project in New South Wales, and that project was bought for 8 million, which included 5 million to pay for the deposit or the security with the government. So effectively, LRV picked up the project for 3 million, although 200 million was spent on the project to develop it. It was a previously producing mine, so this is just being restarted. So if you look at the presentations of the pre-feasibility study, PFS, LRV presented that the net present value was 383 million Australian dollars at a spot prices of antimony of 15,000 US dollars. Since then, antimony has doubled to 30,000 US dollars per ton, and as I mentioned, that can be attributed to the announcement of China that it has stopped, or it has banned the export of antimony. The antimony production worldwide has been declining, which explains the increasing price, and the demand is increasing massively. The biggest demand seems to be around the production of solar panels, which is expected, based on some estimates, to increase from 13,000 tons in 2023 to 68,000 tons in 2026. Just to put that into perspective, antimony production in Australia is only 2,000 tons per annum, but it is the fourth biggest producer in the world. The biggest producers are China, Russia, and Tajikistan. So this niche of the market amongst explorers is so exciting for investors at the moment. And at the moment, the Ravoto Resources has a market capitalization of around 133 million, and being such an owner of advanced project, it looks like it's undervalued. However, this is not a recommendation for you to buy this stock. Please check all these antimony stocks and others, and research them before making any decision. These are just examples, and are not an endorsement to buy or sell any of these stocks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be covering more the antimony space in the next videos. Thanks for listening, and if you have any stories about antimony, your antimony investment, please share in the comments below. See ya.